Welcome back to the channel. We are back with another video. I haven't filmed a video in a while because it's been pretty cold outside, but it's feeling pretty good outside. Feeling pretty nice. Not that sunny, but like it's pretty cloudy. It feels like a fall day. It looks like a fall day too. But we are at Stumpy Lake Natural Area. Before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow the IG DominicB_photography. That will be in the description below. And yeah, let's have a good time. Haven't taken a picture in a while. Hopefully you guys can see this, I'm not sure. We got the zoom in lens today. Take some pictures on this side. No, you can't see. Only thing I will say is it's pretty, like, the sky is pretty white, but I think I can fix that, so. I don't think I want that in the picture. We'll just leave that as a portrait. Maybe this. You can see how this looks. I don't know if I like this. Yeah, I don't know if I like this. Maybe like this. We'll take it. I'm not sure if we're gonna actually go on the trail or not. I'm not too sure whether I want to or not. We might come back and do that. I love these like street views. Kind of don't like the sun right there. Maybe I'll take it out. Oh dang, I missed the bird or the stork. Oh, that's a big spider. You probably can't see it on camera. We got two storks. One was like, and now they both fly away. I gotta be more sneaky about it. Can we see it? Silly me did not bring a backup battery. Well, it's in the car. I can always just go back to the car. We got some duckies. I really need another zoom lens. Yeah. They should definitely make this area more like accessible. Because cars are coming and there's really not that much space to move out the way for the cars if you're taking pictures. I don't know if there's like another, we gotta take this picture, but I'm hoping there's another spot that I can see, that I can get like a view of this side from. Kind of want to see this tree though. Yeah, like that. Take a vertical. I think the verticals could come out nice. Zoom in a little bit. Why is that bird screaming? And who is it screaming at? Oh, they're like playing with each other. Nice. Let's see if we can. It's like the stork knows when I really hope this is called a stork and I'm not just calling it a stork. But it's like it knows when I'm going to move and it like moves accordingly. Like, bruh, this picture would be so nice if I had like an actual nice zoom lens. Let me get the whole tree. That picture would look so nice. I mean, I can kind of maybe I can edit it to where it still looks decent. I really like the shape of these trees though. Oh, we got another stork. Oh, actually, this picture looks kind of nice. Now we zoom in. Zoom out a little bit. There I'll take another one like this. I would call this fall. And I don't think I am gonna go on the trail. Oh, this smells salt water over here. This smells straight like salt water. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go on the trail. I think I'm gonna leave the trail for like another video. Can we get a frame? I'll have one with the fence in the picture, and then one without it. And I don't really know how this frame works out, so we'll see. Let's turn up the aperture. Nice. Kind of like the leaves in there, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, now we get a pretty decent view of the. Let's do this with the hanging tree. Let's not get the wire in there because I do not feel like editing that out. Oh, we got some turtles. And then we got just a, a nice little landscape. One more of those. Let's do like one of these. Let's not have the tree block the other tree. Yeah, like this, maybe. Should we try to take some pictures of the turtles? Turtles aren't really in like a special place, but we'll take some. You guys probably can't see this one. You'll see it on the screen. Maybe if I like get the branch in there too. And then maybe get one from like the other angle. That might be a better angle. I feel like those pictures come out nice. Wow, I almost just fell. That would have sucked. I actually really like this picture right now. I think the colors at the bottom are pretty nice too. Oh man, it's feeling like Thanksgiving out here. Take a street view this way. Make sure no cars are coming. Oh, cars coming. On this side. See if I can set up like a frame. I don't know what type of frame. Maybe like this. Maybe we can have another one like this way. Just darken it up a little bit. And we got the bird flying.